Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can record your screen on Mac using QuickTime. So let's get started. So recording on a Mac is actually pretty straightforward thanks to the built-in software which is QuickTime. So this comes pre-installed on your Mac. If for some reason you can't find it, simply head over to the App Store and you'll be able to download it from there. So the QuickTime icon looks like this one here at the bottom. So when you click it, it will kind of seem like nothing has happened. So it's indicating it's open by our dot under here, but no window pops up. So what you then need to do is you'll know it's open because it says QuickTime Player here at the top. So if we want to record our screen, we can go to File and then New Screen Recording. So once we've selected that, we have the option to record a selected portion or to record the entire screen. We have some options over here for capturing, so if we just want a still image, but obviously for this video we're going to concentrate on recording the screen. So we've got entire screen, which is pretty self-explanatory, and then recording a selected portion. So this selected portion, so say I just want to record the screen of my YouTube channel that I have down here in the bottom right corner, then I can adjust that until I'm happy with the section that it's going to be recorded. Before I hit record, it's always worth checking the options. So when you click options, you'll get a whole host of selections here. Okay. So we have where you want to save it to. So by default, it says QuickTime Player. So it'll open up as soon as you finish recording, and then it will default to your desktop after that. And I'll show you that in a moment. There's a timer. So whether you want it to kind of time you in so it doesn't start instantly. Then you have your microphone. So I've got the option of none. This is a standalone microphone that I have. Then you also have the option of your built-in microphone as well. And then lastly, you have a few different options down here. So show floating thumbnail. This is actually used if you want to kind of use picture in picture. So have your face on top of the screen recording. I have another video on how to record the screen and your face on my channel if you're interested in that. Remember last selection. So whenever I open it up, it will remember that this is the part I had selected and these are the options I had. And then show mouse clicks, which will highlight anytime you click the mouse, it'll have a little circle around it. So once you're happy with what you got, you go ahead and hit record. And then what you'll see in the top, so this is all recording. What you'll see is this little icon right here at the top. So this icon here, okay, is where you stop your recording. So if I go ahead now and hit stop, what you'll see is this has popped up here. It has automatically been added onto my desktop. I can play the video just to preview and make sure I'm happy with it. And then when I am, I can close it from there. Obviously, I can go over to my desktop and I can rename the file from there. So there you have it, a very quick and easy way to record either the entire screen or a section of your screen on the desktop. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.